Hello, friends! I'm Naomi. Let's learn kitchen names. Kitchen words are fun today. Come and learn and sing away. This is a sink. We wash here. Splash, splash, clean hands today, keeping germs away. This is an oven. It bakes treats. Oven warm and shining bright. Cookies baking just right. This is a stove. We cook food here. Stove, stove, cooking time. Yummy food that tastes so fine. This is a refrigerator. It keeps food cold. Refrigerator cold and bright, keeps our food fresh day and night. This is a microwave. Beep, beep. Microwave goes beep, 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 beep. Warm food ready to eat. This is a coffee maker. It makes coffee for grown-ups. Coffee maker makes a warm drink nice and sweet. Coffee maker. This is a blender. It makes smoothies. Blend it round and round we go. Healthy smoothies help us grow. This is a toaster. Pop, toast goes pop. Breakfast is fun. Yummy food for everyone. Great job, friends. See you next time. Keep learning, keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends.